Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's our topic is unit number 9, selecting the right career exercise. First of all, we shall study glossary, aptitude, natural tendency, consideration, discussion are important things, dynamic, active and changing, fix, spot of trouble, innovative, new and creative, merely, only, resultantly, resulting from, rewarding, given as reward, significance, the importance, trend, current fashion or current mode. Vocabulary, give meaning of each word as used in the lesson. Disciplines, ilmi ज़ाब्ते, flooded, सैलाब आ गया, scope, वसत, significance, अहमियत, trends, रुझानात, pathway, राह अमल. Use the following word in sentences. Identify the difference between terms after consulting the dictionary. Degree, after completing the university, you have a certification called degree. Certificate, एक तालीमी इदारे का दौरानिया मुकम्मल करने के बाद जो आपको ऑफिशियल लेटर जारी होता है उसको सर्टिफिकेट कहते हैं. डिप्लोमा, 3 ईयर्स या 2 ईयर्स के लिए जो आप मखसूस तालीम हासिल करते हैं उसको डिप्लोमा कहते हैं. कोर्स, कोई भी डिग्री, सर्टिफिकेट, डिप्लोमा मुकम्मल करने के लिए जो आपको टारगेट दिया जाता है पढ़ने के लिए उसको कोर्स कहते हैं. गिव नेम ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पर्सन्स. अ पर्सन हु रिपोर्ट्स फॉर अ न्यूज़पेपर, न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर. अ पर्सन हु इंट्रोड्यूस परफॉर्मेंस एट अ कॉन्सर्ट, होस्ट. A person who takes charge of a school, principal. A person who gives evidence in the court, witness. A person who repairs boots and shoes, cobbler. A person who is skilled in the science of plants, botanist. A person who designs buildings, architect. Next topic, noun clause. Function, serve as a subject or object, begins with word that, how, whenever, which, who, whom, whoever. Example, that you escaped injury amazed me. I expect that I shall get a prize. इन दोनों सेंटेंस में जो बोल्ड किया गया पार्ट है वो कहलाता है noun clause. Speak out the noun clause in each sentences. I often wonder how you are getting on. How you are getting on. She wrote that she would come. That she would come. I went to see what had happened. What had happened. He noticed that the clock had stopped. That the clock had stopped. He could not decide whom he should rest first. Whom he should rest first. Rewrite each sentence changing the noun clause into noun phrase introduced by an infinity. Infinity means to के बाद verb की first form. For example, I know where I can find it. I know where I can. Subject और helping को ख़त्म करके क्या लगा दिया? To find it. इसी तरह they warned him that he should not deceive them. That he should काट के not के बाद आ जाएगा to. They warned him not to deceive them. We discussed how we could improve matters. We discussed how to improve matters. She learned how she should use the machine. She learned how to use the machine. The child did not know how he can reach home. The child did not know how to reach home. The class discussed what they should make for the fun fair. The class discussed what to make for the fun fair. Next, present perfect continuous tense structure. Subject has, have plus been plus verb की first form plus ing, object since or for. Use since or for complete the sentence. I have been studying for 3 hours. I have been watching TV since 7 p.m. Tyra hasn't been feeling well for 2 weeks. Sarah hasn't been visiting us since March. He has been playing football for a long time. He has been living in Peshawar since he left school.